Hello guys, you're right. I've just got another unboxing to do, so I thought I'm on my lunch break at the moment, so I'm going to make it really snappy, really quick. So got my hands on an S7 Edge. So same stuff from Vodafone, and we managed to get like a nice case for this one as well, because you know you don't want to be too edgy with the Edge. So a quick details of the video here. This is S7, the plain one, the simple one, recording an S7 Edge unboxing. So that's going to be a very quick unboxing. I'll try to speak less and get the unboxing done, really. So there we go. They got an Edge here. One of my work colleagues actually, she let me have it to do an unboxing for that. So let's try doing that. See, that's, oops. I actually should peel this off, I think. Then that'll be a better option. So, there we have it. That just came up really nice. There you go. Same stuff, so that's what we had before. The flappy bit. So, that's our S7 Edge. This one's pink gold. Same spec, I'm guessing. Other than the battery, because this one packs in a 3600 milliamp hour. I'll just double check that. The other thing is this Knox. My bad, I thought Knox is something to do with pollutants, but that's not the case. That Knox is actually quite silly of me not to know that, really. This is for your e-payments and stuff, Apple Pay and Google Pay and all that. Right, it's about to come out now. There we have it. This one, there you go. That's a lovely nice shine there, isn't it? So that's your Edge. Well, I can't do a side by side because actually my phone's recording, but this is much thinner, and this isn't too wide because I was expecting it to be a bit wider. But yeah, that looks neat. So there you have it. That's the unboxing. Let's see if it's got anything different than what I had in my S7 box. So the plastic flap comes off. So we've got the SIM tool with all the other shenanigans in there. Fast charger, fast charging capability with your normal USB micro, and of course your it's called, I think, Smart Connect or something smart. So this is like you hook it up, you plug it into your phone there, and you just connect your other phone to it. iPhone, the support is there for iPhone, Android and BlackBerry. And my bad luck, because I was using this 1020 Nokia 1020, so there's no support for this one, so I actually have to do manual transfer. But anyways, into the chase of the unboxing here, really. So you plug this in, you hook the other end of it to another phone, and then you do the transfer, and as simple as that. So let's take this off. Well, actually, I'll boot it up while I'm doing that because I'm on a very quick break here. There we go, nice one. Straight booting up. So, right. Let's take the back off first. There we go. Nice one. A lovely animation come up. That's our LED. So now the good thing is with this sort of color scheme that the other features are quite prominent, like the LED, the sensors and all that, whereas with the other one they're just, you know, not quite visible. So that's that coming off. There we have it. So the United Kingdom here. Again, same thing, insert SIM card, and yeah, that's pretty much it to it. Shall I do the same thing what I did before? Okay, let's skip it for now. Next, because I just wanted to show you how the Edge works. So that's the Edge bit here. A quick overview of that. Our microphone, speaker, our USB mini, the 3.5mm headphone jack. On the side we've got the volume rockers, separate volume rockers, not on a single bar. Here we've got another microphone up here, which is, I think, used for noise cancellation, in conjunction with the other one down there. That's the our SIM tray, SIM and the SD card tray. One of the best features of this phone to have an SD card in there, so you can always go up to 200 gigs. I've actually got a 64 gig one for my S7. The key guard is on this side, so I think, you know, this is the sort of arrangement which is something very common in Android phones. So yeah, so that's Greenwich there. 29th, that's right. So what's the time? It's I'm going to get this right. That's 13:46, is it? Well, that reminds me that I'm running out of my lunch break, really. So I'll be snappy here. I'll just leave that for now, because I'll let my colleague do this. Skip anyway. Okay. So you can see, quite snappy, straight out of the box, no lag whatsoever. We don't have that now because I think the user is an iPhone user. They don't use Samsung that much. Now this is that option where you can connect your old phone with the new one by using this USB adapter. So hook it up, get the two leads and old device onto the new one. And we're happy with that. Yeah. Next. I'll connect later. To get these settings, easy mode, I'll turn it off for now. And this is the Knox option. This is for your Google Play and everything else. You can get it installed later, but I'll just finish this setup here for now. And there we have it. The good thing about these phones that this is the second one that I'm doing now, and it's the same provider. Actually, this has been taken off from Carphone Warehouse, and it's got the Vodafone network connection on it. There you go, that's the edge bit there. So the thing that I like about it, that the only thing that this thing has got is the basic apps on it, or the Samsung Wiz UI. Other than that, there's nothing on it, which is really good. So it comes quite empty, but having said that, it still uses up some, no, not data usage, some battery up, some storage space. Sorry for all the waffling, because I'm actually using up my lunch break here. I need to get some food as well. So we've used up 7.73 gigs of memory already, which leaves us with enough space. So effectively you're getting 24. This is still decent, because I've seen people getting 20 gigs because of all the apps loaded up at the beginning, and when it comes like pre-packed. So that's that. So very snappy there, no issues whatsoever. Mine came with a 66% charge. This one's got 44% charge. So let's have a look at the edge here. So that's actually nice, not bad at all. So does it? Okay, the thing that I'm really interested in checking is, how does it work? Like, does it just show up when you do this, or does it do that by any chance? No, it don't. So that's okay there. So you can't actually do that with just one finger there when you've got the other fingers here. So it's like finger rejection or something. But if I've only got one finger here, will it work? No, because I've got this bit. No. I think the action needs to be done from here, something like that. So here you can add your contacts. The good thing about this is these color rings, you can put your contact details in, and when the phone's sitting upside down on the table, the whatever the color of the contact is, that color will glow here, and it gives you that lovely sort of lighting effect, if you like, during nighttime or something like that. So I think that just wraps up everything about this quick unboxing. Not doing a review here, but if I get a chance, I'll probably do a comparison, a side by side. But yeah, just let me know if you want to have a look about a side by side comparison, and we'll do that. So they've done this clutter folder thing here as well. I think I've seen it in iPhone, that way you can make folders for different apps. So this is your standard apps that come with it. That is from the Wiz UI. There's a lot that can be said about it. This is the Google stuff, Android, Microsoft, so you get your basic Office in there, which is good. So that's all good and dandy. So key guard there comes up nice and proper. So swipe to get this thing up and running. Right, that's the review for now. I think I'm just running just under 10 minutes, which is good, better than the last one. So I'll just leave it there. and hope you've enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a nice old thumbs up. Put some comments down if you want to, and then we'll probably do a review of that. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Bye.